Hi guys, in this video I am gonna to teach you how to make chocolate chip cookies at home with simple easy step-by-step method. First of all, we enlist the ingredients. So the ingredients are 350 grams, 12 1/4 ounces plain flour, 1 teaspoon bicarbonate of soda, 1 teaspoon salt, 225 grams, 8 ounces butter, 175 grams, 6 1/4 ounces castor sugar, 175 grams, 6 1/4 ounces soft brown sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 free-range eggs, 350 grams, 12 1/4 ounces dark chocolate, crumbled. Now the cooking method is: Step 1. Preheat the oven to 190 C 375 F, gas 5. Step 2. In a bowl, combine the flour, baking soda and salt. Step 3. In another bowl, combine the butter, sugar, brown sugar and vanilla extract until creamy. Beat in the eggs. Gradually beat in the flour mixture. Stir in the chocolate. Step 4. Split the pliable dough into 2 halves, rolling each out into sausage shapes, approximately 5 cm, 2 inches in diameter. Wrap them in cling film and transfer to the refrigerator until ready to use. Step 5. When you are ready to bake the cookies, simply cut the log into slices 2 cm, 3/4 inch thick and lay on a baking tray, widely spaced apart. Bake for 9–11 minutes until just golden brown on the edges. Allow to cool for a few minutes on the tray before transferring to a wire rack. Enjoy warm with a glass of ice-cold milk. Thanks for watching. Hope this video is helpful for you. Please like, share and subscribe.